Today, I want to show you how we make poutine in Quebec. As a French Canadian, I have my fair share of poutine in my life. Good one and bad ones. So today, I want to get into basic with you on how to make a great poutine, which consists on 3 main ingredients: French fries, gravy, and cheese curd. And we will elevate this in a fancy way. We will make everything from scratch, except the cheese, of course, and then we will pair this with wine. Yes, we can pair poutine with wine. So enough talking and let's do this! I like to peel my potato so the result looks less rustic. To cut the potato, use a santoku knife. The hollow ground divot create air pockets so starchy food doesn't stick to the blade. Cut them evenly and put it in cold water and rinse your water until it's clean of starch. Make sure those are super dry because water and hot oil are not the best of friends. Fry the potatoes at 350 Fahrenheit until they are just light blonde. Let them cool down on a paper towel, then in the freezer until they are frozen or until you need them. Then put them frozen in your oil at 350 Fahrenheit until you have a nice golden color. Season them while they are hot so the sauce stay on it. Saute some mushroom. I made a video about this, so I will put a link.
Wait.
Now it's time to cook the duck. First season it. We will cook it fat down on the pan for 90% of the cooking time and sear the top for color. And like we cooked the steak last week, I will put butter, garlic, thyme and rosemary, then baste it. Now while the meat rests, we will do the gravy. Put beef stock to deglaze the front of the pan, then we will add French shallot, garlic and rosemary. Is your eyes burning?
Yes.
Yes, it's because of the onions. Me too, look.
Yes.
Are you okay?
No.
You want some juice?
Yes.
Okay.
Please.
So this was the first time Sissy cut a shallot, so while she are taking a little break, we will put everything in the pan and cook it for a couple of minutes, then add heavy cream, mix and finish with butter. Now it's time to cut the meat in a manageable bite size and start to plate this. Put the French fries, the cheese curd, the mushroom, the delicious gravy. Put the duck on top and put some greens to help you keep a clean conscience. Voila! A fancy Canadian poutine. So let's taste this now.
Yes.
You wanna fry it?
Yes, please.
It's very good, huh? So the fries are crispy outside and soft inside because we double fried it. The cheese is so fresh, it makes the squeeze sound in your mouth. It's amazing. And the gravy is not the typical gravy we put in a poutine, but with the seared duck, it makes a lot of sense. You can replace the duck with a steak. It will be fabulous. And if you like what you see right now, please hit the like button. Now for the wine pairing, here we have bold flavor and a lot of fat. So we need a certain amount of acidity to cut that fat. We need a bold wine. So a Cabernet Sauvignon Shiraz Grenache will be a great choice for this. In fact, today I have here a blend of Shiraz and Grenache. This is a Rasto from Sauternes-Rhône. Here we have a nice deep violet color, and on the nose, fruit, leather, and oak. And on the palate, it's very dry. We have solid tannins, we have fruit notes, it's mineral, it's very well balanced, and there's a long pepper finish. Now, leave me alone, I'm gonna eat the whole thing and then feel bad about myself.
Yes.